I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on this Thursday afternoon where we have scaled down the temperatures just a bit after some early morning thunderstorms across the region and the clouds still hanging around, although we've seen some peaks of sunshine that's helped things warm up pretty quickly. It's a live look here at our Cook's Auto Body Cam in Uptown Normal. We'll show you our Farmers Insurance Cam over in Peoria as well. A lot of cloud cover out there, but when you get peaks of sunshine, boy, those temperatures have jumped pretty quickly. We started off even in the early afternoon around 1 o'clock in the upper 70s, but we have jumped several degrees since then. Here's the other side of the river from East Peoria again. Looking pretty cloudy out there, but again, some blue in the sky. I'm going to flip over to X-Vision real quick, and here are the rainfall totals that we saw for the early morning hours. Nothing really impressive, unfortunately, for us. About 1/10 of an inch in many locations. Officially at the airport, we got 2/100ths of an inch. So not much really brewing. Live look at X-Vision. We do have a few thunderstorms up towards our north. We'll keep a careful eye on those up towards the Quad Cities. But right now, it looks like that line in itself will be moving to the east-southeast. So maybe along I-80 you get clipped a little bit, but a lot of the activities you can see is well south of us. And even if I pan a little bit further to the right, pretty active right now in Ohio. All those pink counties you see are severe thunderstorm watch boxes. Orange highlighted polygons there are severe thunderstorm warnings, and there's actually been a few tornado warnings in west central portions of Pennsylvania this afternoon. So really nasty weather as well east of us, and that's where the moderate risk was for today. So that is verifying pretty well as those nasty storms now start to roll through, looks like Columbus, the capital city of Ohio. 87 in Peoria right now, 81 in Bloomington, 88 in Macomb, 90 in Havana. We'll watch this carefully. If we do hit 90 today, we would break the record for most 90-degree temperatures or higher for the month of July. We'd be at 24 of 26. So we'll see if we hit that. I don't think we will, but hey, we could sneak in there by the end of the afternoon. Heat index still pretty warm out there, 93 in Peoria, feels like 95 in Galesburg, 95 in Macomb and Havana. Midwest temperatures, though, we're starting to see some relief. Chicago around 86, 84 in Minneapolis, 94, though, in Des Moines, 91 in Indianapolis. Once this cold front starts to move on through, a lot of the Midwest is going to be under much more comfortable conditions. Still high heat index values. It still feels like 90 in Chicago and 94 in Des Moines. Heat advisories canceled for our region, still in effect southern Illinois, and then again you can see all the severe weather watch boxes now in Ohio, Pennsylvania, even a tornado watch box now for New York, and severe thunderstorm watch box now for portions of New Jersey and much of New York City under that as well. So all the nasty stuff is well to our east. It is Thursday, so that means a new drought monitor issued this morning, and there have been some changes. Now at least the southern half of our viewing area, including Woodford, Tazewell, McLean, Fulton, Mason counties, under an extreme drought. You can only go one step higher than that. It would be exceptional drought. And portions of southern Illinois under that. If we continue on the trend that we're on, we may be seeing that in some portions of our area as well. But there may be some changes that could help things out a little bit as we roll over the next 2 weeks. I'll explain in just a second. Here's the stats for kind of breaking down for the month, for the season, and for the year. We picked up about 1.25 inches for the month of July. That's almost 2 inches below the norm for the month. Since June 1st, we've only picked up about 3.5 inches. That is 3 inches below where we should be for this time of year. We should be at about 6.5 inches for the season. And for the year, we're at 13 inches, about 8 inches below where we should be at this point of the year. So again, exceptionally dry. That continues at least for the next couple of days. However, there have been some model indications in the long term over the next 2 weeks that we could get some good rain chances. Over the next 5 days, possibly up to 1/2 inch. Our next good rain chance looks to come in on Monday. So we'll keep an eye on that. But over the next 2 weeks, we may see several rain chances where models are indicating we could get around 1.5 inches to 1.25 inches. That would be slightly above normal. And the new 8 to 14-day outlook actually states that we could see above average precipitation. So that would be a good thing. But keep in mind, summer thunderstorms are very sporadic, hit or miss. You don't get a lot of long line and slow-moving thunderstorm complexes during the summer months. So widespread rain, not going to be likely. So not everyone will benefit from this if this actually pans out. But it'll be interesting to watch, and at least it's a step in the right direction with the models, because the models have been very good about explaining how dry we will be over this long term, over much of the summer. So hopefully this trend will swing us in the good side here with more precipitation on the way. Can't rule out a stray shower over the late afternoon, early evening hours, but I think by mid-evening we're completely dry. Clouds will eventually clear as we roll through the overnight tonight. It's going to be very comfortable this evening after several nights of mid to upper 70 type temperatures. We're back to the upper 60s across the region, so looking pretty nice. Friday looks great as well. Mostly sunny skies through much of the day. Maybe a few fair weather clouds here and there, but again, a lot of sunshine and comfortable temperatures as well. Slightly above average, around 88 for the afternoon high in Peoria, 90 in Bloomington, and 88 in Galesburg. For the weekend, we're looking, again, very nice. Saturday, 85, Sunday, 89, and again, that next chance for rain looks to arrive by Monday. We could sneak back into the low 90s, though, through much of the middle portion of next week, but not extreme heat. We'll still hover around 90. Many areas will stay in the upper 80s. That'll do it for this weather webcast on our Thursday afternoon. We'll have updates on the blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us on WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Thursday evening.